Hi everyone, welcome to my art channel. I'm Tiffany, I'm from Bulan Lifestyle, and I'm going to show you my Moleskine sketchbook. So this is my Moleskine sketchbook, and this is what has been keeping me sane, focused and joyful throughout the almost 2 months of lockdown. I've been sketching every day in my art journal, and I've been doing a few series of drawings. So I first started with a whole series of alcohol drawings, and then I moved on to pet portraits of animals that bring people joy, my friends' pets, and that has really been very rewarding because I've been getting a lot of comments telling me how much my sketches have made them happy, and that brought me a lot of joy as well. And then moving forward, I started to do what I call the Gratitude Flower series. I wanted to embrace and celebrate the strong women in my life, especially during this time of need, and it's a very hard time that we're all going through under lockdown, isolated from our friends and family. So for me, drawing a flower a day for a strong woman in my life gave me a bit more joy to be focusing on something positive and something I could control, because I couldn't control a lot of negativity outside into things that, you know, in the real world. But what I focused on in my sketchbook was everything that brought me joy, positive emotions, staying structured and staying productive. And yes, I did about 16 flowers, gratitude flowers, to different women in my life who have supported me throughout my art career, throughout my childhood, and embracing that. I've also now gone back to the pet portrait series because I've had a few more requests, and knowing that it's been, what I was saying earlier, rewarding, and it's brought a lot of joy, that I've gone back to doing it. So today I'm going to draw you Hugo. Hugo's a little sausage dog. He's my god dog who passed away, well, not too long ago. So it's in his memory. I'm going to do that a bit later. You can watch my art video. But first off, I'm going to show you the tools that I use. So here are the Tombow pens that I use, and also the micron pigma pens. So normally I'll start with a micron pigma pen. I'll draw the outline of the flower or the dog or the object, and then I'll color it in with these dual brush pens and dual brushpens, because it's a brush pen on one side and on the other side is just like a normal pen. So I'm quite limited on my colors at the moment because I've run out. So what I do is I will blend with watercolor pencils. So this one works really well with these. So you can combine the colors and get like a whole rainbow of new colors. So for me, I'm not about to go out to, I'm sweating here, I'm not about to go out to get more tools, because I have enough coloring equipment and writing equipment in my house. It's more about the intention and what I'm drawing rather than the tools. So I hope I've inspired you to create your own art journal. I think it will help tremendously to bring happiness by focusing on things that bring you joy. It can be everyday objects, it could be flowers. Just focusing on drawing and just enjoy the whole process, and not really thinking about what it's going to look like at the end of the day, because that's not the purpose of it. I think the purpose of my sketchbook is just to enjoy the process, to calm my mind, to get rid of the clutter, and to be grateful for my life and my friends. So please enjoy. See you later.
The sun has gone away today. The clouds are heavy and the sky is gray, but I feel your warmth, your light remains. I feel your warmth inside of me. And though I know you cannot stay, we'll see each other again someday. Spread your wings, it's time to fly, and join the stars, light up the sky. Fly, angel, fly, light up the sky. Fly, angel, fly. This is not goodbye, go light up the skies. Things will never be the same without your smile to